Can y'all hear me on this thing? Can y'all hear me? Y'all, I did the absolute most just to get here. But that's alright, because we in there. Oh, I don't know what I want to eat, y'all. But I got O's for her food. Let's see what it look like. Yeah, she got the... Okay. It's smooth. I'm ready to see what it tastes like. I ain't gonna taste it right now, though. She got the oxtails, the cabbage, and rice and peas. Oh, alright, y'all. Taking a video of her food. I'm gonna wait until I get my food and then I'm gonna try hers. Woo. Yeah, y'all. Let's close this back in. Y'all don't know what I want. Well, I know what I want. I just don't know who I want it from. That's my problem right now. And really, it's all about who gonna move the quickest. If I'm be honest too. I ain't trying to make y'all in no hurry. I just got somewhere to be. You get what I'm saying? Cece got somewhere to be, man, and I can't be that late. But I am definitely going to give me a lemonade because it's lemonade, as always. Okay. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I really want the ramen this time. Cause I just been getting the quesadilla. The quesadilla. That's it right, the quesadilla. I've only been getting that and I haven't been getting I haven't been getting the noodles and I really want the noodles, y'all. That's what I want this time. But we gonna see, y'all. They got snow boogers out here. That's pretty good. I thought the peanut man was gonna be out here, but it's the other peanut man. But that's fine. Look, everybody got a lemonade. God, dog. Hold on. Oh yeah, I forgot y'all. It's this nut place, and the lady just started making it. It's like cashews, peanuts, and all that. Y'all, it's so good. Hold on, let me go loud as he. Anywho, y'all, yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I figure out what I want. I'm gonna try and talk loud because I don't have the mic. I don't feel like pulling all it out right now. Dang, so I got y'all shaking the table. But anyway, y'all. So this is Bay food. I'm finna try it. This what it look like, y'all. Oxtails, rice and peas, cabbage. It smells good. I ain't gonna eat too much because it's not my food anyway. So, okay, hold on. Hold up. Oxtail falling off the bone. That good. God, We're gonna take one more little bite. Yeah. This lady know what she doing. That is good. That is really good. I will give that a overall plate rating. I give it a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna say 7.5 because it's really good. Positive energy, y'all. When I tell y'all The people that own this, they so cool, y'all. They so funny, man. I think it's this guy and his wife, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong and y'all watching this video, just let me know. Just let me know. But anywho, y'all, like, they so cool. I kid you not. But I forgot what I got the first time when me and Angel had tried them. I forgot what it was. But this time I got a mango refresher. It's mango something else refresher, y'all. I forgot what else it was. I'm gonna try and look it up. Then I put it on the screen. But yeah, that's what I get. This really good, y'all. It's really, really good. Oh shoot. I'm about to tear it up. And in my opinion, I feel like the price is really good because for this size that I got, it's $6. I feel like that's really good. And y'all know I went to my people, got my noodles. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Y'all done seen me eat this before. I got the ramen. Look at all the onions on there. The ramen with the vida. Like, you can't go wrong with this, y'all. It's so freaking good. Come through with all that copyright in my background. It's so good, y'all. This probably gonna be the only thing I eat today, y'all. My first time eating in my last for today. So I got the number 3 combo, and it came with this right here, couple noodles with the vida on top, vida, and then vida taco. And when you go, you can't forget the green sauce. Like, I don't know what the name of it is, the green sauce. Y'all can't forget that one, y'all. It's so good. Like, if you come and eat and you don't get the green sauce, I can't trust you in what you be eating on. Like, look at it, y'all. I gotta make sure y'all see this. Like, look at it, bro. Like, what? I'm about to spit it, trying to show y'all. We're gonna eat one, though. That's how I be running my food too. Flip flops flapping. So good, y'all. So good. I tell you, that's so good, y'all. I still got a little time to sit here and eat. Y'all just look at it, bro. Y'all like your hip. She just hit the mirror on my phone when she walked by. But I think the mirror been there though, y'all, before she walked by. I think it was right though. But she still tore it up. Dang you. Flag on the play, bro. No. Not bad. I don't put baked food in. I'm so ready for her to try it, y'all. So when I tell y'all, Miss Lady, the lady at Meatballs,
Those oxtails are so tender and good, y'all. Oh, they're so good. Everything's just so good, y'all. It's so good. Golly. It's so good, y'all. I don't do people sit and watch me eat. Not that I tell. Take this thing. Some got a little kick on them. Oh, shit. Now I'm gonna make her try it as soon as she get in the car. We're like, huh, babe, try it, try it. She gonna be like, girl, I need me a little spoon. Mm. Yeah, I don't have no napkin. I don't think. I don't think. So let me tell y'all how I do the most. Which initially I said I was doing the most in my head. But then again I got to thinking like, nah, I ain't doing the most, I'm doing just enough. Right? So here I am trying to find something to wear to come over here. And initially I really was just trying to find something to look presentable, look real cute, because I'm like, okay, I'm gonna record. I want to record myself too, so let me try and do a little something. Yeah, when I tell y'all, I took a whole hour, a full hour, and still went home and found something in my closet. Like I went to like 3 different stores looking for something to wear, and I couldn't find anything. And at first, I said to myself, like, girl, you really doing too much. Like, just throw some clothes on. But then again, I got to thinking, like, it really used to be a time where I wouldn't put no clothes on. Like, I would literally be wearing joggers and throwing a big t-shirt. My hair might be done, it might not be done. So it's just like, it's okay. You know, I'm going to give myself grace today. Yeah, it took too long trying to find something, but at least I was trying. You get what I'm saying? At least I'm caring about my appearance. So, a win is a win. I'm just a girl. Mm. So y'all, today I have to do some braids. I gotta braid my best friend son hair. So I gotta do that today. And then tomorrow, which I'm probably gonna film it tomorrow. I gotta do my best friend my other best friend some small knotless braids. Um, I'm really excited, y'all. Like doing hair is really my element. Like I be so in the zone. Like that's my thing. Um, and it's so crazy though because I was doing Bay hair Monday, and she was like, "You looking so serious? Like why you looking like that?" I'm just like, I'm in my zone. Like this is where I'm at right now. Like I don't be looking mean or nothing intentionally, but I'm just zoning. Like this is why I'm supposed to be at. This is what I do. This is the gift that God gave me, and I just had to perfect it. Like, yeah, I love it. I love it so much. Why y'all being childish? Yeah, I'm texting my sister. So we getting a 7 brew. Well, we already have a 7 brew now in D'Iberville. And they are giving, the owner is giving away free drinks Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I gotta do half Friday. Well, I just said that I gotta do half Friday. Well, I could get up early and go over there, but I really want my sister to go with me, and she gotta go to work, so I'm gonna just wait and go Saturday. So hopefully we get up early Saturday and go. Ooh, I really want to go to the flea market. Like, we gotta get to the flea market soon. I need some boots for this event that we're having in our in the city. It's a parade in my city. So I need some boots. They need some boots. Dang. Y'all, that's what I was supposed to do. I ain't gonna have time. Let me just go. Alright, y'all. That was enough for the mukbang. Mukbanger. Bang your tail. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get home. And we're back. Okay, we're back, you guys. So, I was like, I got on a different shirt. That's neither here nor there. Don't worry about that. I had to get a little comfortable while I did my client. So, yes, y'all, I think now it's like 7:15, 7:20, somewhere around there. But I am finally done for the day. I have one more head tomorrow, and I will be done for a little minute, for about a week. Yeah, unless it's like some emergency or something, but for the most part, we're done for the week, y'all. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you have your post notifications on. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. It should be in the description box. It's down there. Go check. And if it's not down there, write me a comment and say, what's your social media handles? Okay? And I'll put it down there below. I promise I ain't gonna ignore your comment. Golly. So yes, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. And we're signing out. Y'all, we are waiting. We're waiting to ride. I know y'all can't hear me. We walk to the club. Hold on.
Before the end of the race, an attendant will wave a yellow flag to indicate that one lap remains. After the last lap, the attendant will use a whistle.
With you